Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, let's find our power button, which is in the notifications. So just swipe down from the top of your screen twice, press on the power button, and then from here you want to hold power off. When you do so, as you can see, it changes into reboot into safe mode, which we'll confirm by selecting OK. This will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it automatically goes into safe mode. Now in said mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. The apps that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and also widgets might not work as well in this mode. And this is designed so you can troubleshoot your phone. Now if you don't have any problems with your device that are software-based primarily, there is probably very little incentive for you to boot the device into this mode. Now let's give it a second for it to actually fully boot up. So there we go, we have a safe mode marking at the bottom, and let's see if we have any apps. Okay, so here even the default apps that come with the device pre-installed are disabled, which is kind of odd considering these actually came already preloaded with the device. But video creator is kind of just gone. Music, and in the Google folder we have things like Wallet, Google One, Home, Find My Device, and so on. You can see that every gray application is going to be temporarily disabled as long as you're in this mode. And if you try to open it up, as you can see, it gives you this message: downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, simply hold your power button, and which combination is here? Nope. Power button and volume up, and you can select restart. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.